This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, September the 25th, 2012. It's now time to take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We still have this vortex over Hudson Bay bringing down some cool air out of Canada, a zonal flow across the middle part of the country, and at the surface we have a disturbance just to the south that may clip the southeastern part of the state with a few isolated showers. Otherwise it'll be mainly dry and sunny with highs in the 70s to near 80. Be a bit cooler here Wednesday as high pressure noses in from the north with a frontal system just to our south. Rain showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two from Denver to Kansas City, St. Louis, and then on into the east. Still remains that way here Thursday. Rain maybe into the very far southern tier of Iowa counties. Otherwise still sunny and highs in the upper 60s north to mid to upper 70s south. Friday, we still could see some rain mainly south of Highway 34. Otherwise, mostly sunny and highs in the 70s across the state, cooler in the south with some clouds. Saturday to start off the weekend, high pressure overhead, temperatures seasonal with readings in the upper 60s to lower to middle 70s with mostly sunny skies and any rain well to our south. Sunday, same story. Temperatures still remaining fairly seasonal for the end of September at this point with readings in the upper 60s to lower to middle 70s and sunny skies then as well. Start off the new week on new work week Monday and a new month, October 1st. Still remaining dry, seasonal, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Any rain is off to our south and east. And a week from today, we have an upper level feature over the south. We have some energy moving across the U.S.-Canadian border, mainly in Manitoba and Ontario province in Canada. And with that could bring some rain to our south with the upper level system, rain well to our north, and we're still dry, so we're having quite a number of days of dry weather, except maybe a few isolated showers in the south. A couple days later on October the 6th, we have a broad trough over most of the country, a ridge pumping up across the far west and into the northeastern Pacific. And with this, we could see some showers and maybe a thunderstorm with a frontal system coming down from the north. And this could be the next best chance of rain, and this is almost a week and a half away, and this could change, however. A couple days later, at the end of the forecast on October the 10th, still have a trough over the eastern half of the country, a bit of a split flow in the west. And around here, if this is right, we could see a frontal system over New England bringing some rain, maybe some mountain snow in the higher elevations, some rain over the northern part of the upper Midwest, and around here dry and maybe a bit windy if this is right, and a little bit warm as well. The satellite image from last evening showed a few clouds over the Florida peninsula, some cloudiness with a disturbance that could bring a shower in far southeast Iowa later today over the plains and into the Rockies. The watch warning map from last evening showed air quality advisories up in Washington and Oregon and into Idaho, a few frost advisories in northern New England, and otherwise it was fairly quiet across the country with this benign weather pattern we're in. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock showing most of the heavier rain is going to be south of here from Oklahoma City to Kansas City to St. Louis and then along the Ohio Valley where they could see upwards of 2 to 3 inches, and around here less than 1/4 of an inch.